In this video, we will show you how to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC. First, you have to download the MEXC app on your mobile using Google Play Store or Apple Store. After downloading the MEXC app, open the app. Make sure to log into your account first on the app. If you don't have an account, then create it. Go to Trade from the bottom menu bar. It will give you some instructions. Tap on Next. You can see the amount and price of USDT to buy or sell. Tap MEXC or USDT and select the coins you want by scrolling down. Tap on Limit and select Market from the drop-down menu. Tap on Buy to buy coins and Sell to sell the coin. Again, select a coin by tapping MEXC or USDT or the name of the coin. Select the type BTC by scrolling down. Tap on Limit below the Buy and Sell option and select Market from the drop-down menu. Add your total USDT in the blank space and then tap on Sell BTC. Go to the Wallet option from the bottom menu and tap Spot. You can see the asset list in the Wallet option. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.